Today's topic 5, and I know I need to update the YouTube, but nobody's watching the video, so I'm not too upset about it. Is addition. Is that crooked? Yeah. Addition. So we kind of already talked about addition, adding fractions and all this stuff, but the main thing we're looking at is adding real numbers, which are assigned numbers. That's the hard part. Positive and negatives. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So here we're going to start. We're going to learn how to do this visually. The first section is adding using the number line. Adding using the number line. Okay, so let's just say we have A and B are real numbers. Okay. And we're going to add A plus B. And we're going to do this visually. So we're going to have as a number line. And I think we talked about the number line, didn't we? Yeah, we did.
Yep.
Okay, so this is when there's two numbers and a plus separates them. Okay. So the first thing we do is we find A on the number line. The first number. Find the first number on the number line. So let's say A is 1. So we'll do 1 plus 4, and we'll do 1 plus negative 3. We'll just do both ones. So one's positive and one's negative.
Okay.
Okay, so here's 1. And then on 2, if B is positive, move B units. I can't spell for some reason. Right. Okay. So if B is positive, in this case right here, B is positive. Of course, I didn't put enough numbers out there. Let me put another one out there. So B is positive. We're going to move B units to the right. 1 plus 4 will be 1, 2, 3, 4 units to the right. And where we land is the answer. So 1 plus 4 is 5.
Right.
Okay. If B is negative, what's the opposite of positive is negative? So we do the opposite. We move not B units, but absolute value B units left. So the number without the sign here is 3. So we're adding 1 plus negative 3. So we're going to go 3 units to the left. 1, 2, 3. And 1 plus negative 3 is negative 2, because we landed on negative 2. And then there's another option. If it's not positive or negative, what is it?
If it's not what?
Positive or negative.
Okay.
What is that?
0.
If B is 0, very good, stay at A. That's the easiest one. Okay. So
Oh, yeah.
here's your negative 1 plus 0. And there you go. Stay at 8. Negative 1. Okay. So let's do an example. We're going to do 3 plus negative 5.
Okay.
Now, notice that there's parentheses around this. That's so if you had 3 plus like this, 3 plus minus 5 like that, that doesn't make sense because there's two operations and you can't add a negative. So that's why you put parentheses around it. Okay. And like here, it's you don't need one in front because there's not another sign out here. You can put them though. You can put them though. It's okay. If when in doubt, put them. All right, so we're going to start at 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here's my beautiful number line. We're going to start at 3. B is negative, so we move left 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we landed at negative 2, so that's the sum. Easy schmeezy, right?
Yep. Hey, even I can do this.
I know you can do this. You can do this. There's more examples. What about let's do one like this. I don't think people struggle with the number line. It's when you take away the number line, that's where people start to struggle.
Well, I'm a very visual learner.
Oh,
so
okay. Well, there you go.
Sometimes.
-1. I'm a very visual teacher sometimes. -1 plus -3. Okay, so we got our
What do we do
number
here?
line. Okay, so we start at -1.
Right.
It's plus, so we're going to move this 3 units to the left. So that's 1, 2, 3. So 1 plus -3 is -4. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
So I understand the operation here, but why is it that if you're adding, you're actually subtracting? Because you're moving
Because you're
away.
okay.
Zero.
All right. Let's say this. Well, I'll explain this. Sophie owes me $1. Okay. Sophie borrows $3 more. How much money does she have?
Well, I have $4 that I don't have.
Yeah, you're in the hole $4.
Mm-hmm.
So you're already in the hole. You get further in the hole, further in debt. That means your answer is you're going to be in debt. Overall loss.
Okay.
Football the same way. Say you're on the I don't know 50-yard line, right? And then you run a play and you lose 1 yard.
Mm-hmm.
And then you run a play and then you lose 3 yards. How many yards have you lost? 4.
Okay.
Negative would mean loss. Now, if it was positive, it would be a gain. So Josh throws a pass, and we get a big gain. Okay. Now you kind of get a little better. What about another one is elevation. Okay. And then we got the ocean. We got this mountain right by the ocean.
Mm-hmm.
And say this is at 7,000 feet. And you jump off and take a dive and go down 9,000 feet.
Okay.
In the water. Not over here. It's not going to work out.
Then I die.
Then, no, you don't die. You got scuba gear on or something. So then you can see that if you start at 7,000 and subtract 9,000, you're going to be at negative 2,000. Very good. Okay, that's a lot. See, this is why we can't use the number line forever, because you'll be there a while. 8,992, 8,000. No, we're not going to do that. Okay. All right.
Okay. Got it. Thank you.
Good. The number line can be used. Okay, so that's the first topic. Adding with the number line.